Okay, we have this 7 and 1/2 times 1 and 2/3. So we are multiplying mixed numbers, two mixed numbers. Ang idea ni is dili ka basta maka-multiply diretso na. Pag mixed number pagali siya, imo siya i-convert into improper fraction para mahimo siya nga pwede siya multiply na karon. So in that case, it will be what? Well, 7 and 1/2 is just no pag convert nimo ana sa iyaha kanang 7 and 1/2 mong mura na siya 7 over 7 plus 1/2, okay? And we know that that will just be 7 over 1 plus 1/2, right? Ang LCD nila ana is 2, so that will just be 14 plus 1. So that will just be 15 over 2. Or ang pinakadali nga way ana is 2 times 7, that's 14 plus 1, that's 15. So that's how you convert improper mixed number to improper fraction. Ingan yang meaning. Okay? Ingan yang meaning sa 7 and 1/2. Of course, this 1 and 2/3 similarly will have 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 over 3. So dili nimo i-confuse na no kanang magama ka og sa LCD nga. When we say LCD of 7, 2 ang iyang LCD, right? So kanang 2 divided by 1, 2 times 7 is simply 14. So ingon ana, lahi pud ni siya. Ang meaning man ni 7 and 1/2 kay i-add lang nimo, okay? So ingana na siya. 15 over 2 times 5 over 3. Sa multiplication of fraction, dali lang ta kay we can simply directly multiply things. Okay, so numerator and numerator pwede na multiply, the denominator and denominator. But in this case, instead of directly multiplying 15 and 5, mas dali man kung i-divide nimo daan ang 15 and 3. Ingana ang idea. So, kabalo man ka 15 divided by 3 kay 5 na daan. So, pwede na nimo na siya i-cancel daan and then you replace that by 3. Para shorter na lang balang imuhang kuha. So, this must be 3 times 5 is 15. Okay? 3 times 5 is 15 over what? Over mabilin dire 2 times 1 naman lang na mabilin dia. So 2 times 1 is 2, right? And 15 over 2 is just equivalent to wait. So 15 over 12 is just the same as what? Well, 15 divide 15 over 2